Welcome back to another Chapter 7 video lesson. We are doing the same sort of problem. It's just this time we are doing a 95% confidence rather than a 90% confidence. So there's the only change, keeping the same problems, just looking to see how that changes the interval, and I'm going to be shortcutting so that you won't have to look at all the notation and stuff. Just this is what you will need basically to show. Really shortcutting and abbreviating. So again, we note sigma is known. So we know to use a z-score. So sigma known, z. We know our sample mean, x bar, 14.3. We know sigma is 2. With a 95% confidence interval, our z alpha over 2. And remember, going back, we can use sorry about that. Going back, we can use this F distribution table so that we can get things faster, the T table. And we were wanting a 95% confidence interval. So as we go down all the way to that bottom, there is the z-score that we need. We don't have to run through all the different little pieces. A 1.960. So now we identify our confidence interval. Excuse me. First, we need to identify n. N is again 28. Our interval then formula x bar minus our z alpha over 2 times sigma over square root of n to x bar plus z alpha over 2 times sigma over square root of n. And once again, substituting in the values, 14.3 minus 1.960 times 2 over the square root of 28 to our 14.3 plus 1.960 times 2 over square root of 28. Plugging that into our calculator, 13.51 to 15.04. That would be the work you would need to show. Here's what I would be looking for. 1, you identify that sigma is known, and so you're using a z. You identify x bar, sigma, and n. You find that z-score for the appropriate confidence interval. Tell me what the formula is. Substitute in, and then calculate your number. So those are the check marks I'll make when I'm grading your papers. So it's the really succinct little piece on that. I do want to point out your 90% interval was 13.68 to 14.92. That was the 90% from the prior video. This one being our 95%. So here we've got more confidence, 95% sure as opposed to 90, but we've got a bigger interval. The idea is we like to balance those off. as close as we can with as much confidence. So that's, like I said, it's a balance off on that. So piece up in the top there. That's what you're going to be needing for your home.